Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you that how you can cancel the subscription of Midjourney. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Once you are in the Midjourney bot, here type /subscribe and hit the enter key. Now it will show a manage account button. Click on this and then click visit website. Here you can see your current subscription. Now click on billing and invoice details. And once you are here, you will see your current plan, the payment method, and all the history of your subscriptions. Now on the top right, you will see a cancel plan button. Click on this button, and from here you can cancel the plan. Your plan will be cancelled but is still available until the end of your billing period on whatever it is. So if you change your mind, you can renew your subscription. But if you still want to cancel the subscription, you can just click on this cancel plan button and your subscription will be cancelled. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.